Look around. Our world is adrift. Where are the leaders who speak the truth? Leaders who act with justice? Leaders who embody kindness? Leaders who walk with humility?
These leaders didn't emerge from a vacuum. They were formed from an early age, shaped by rigorous education, inspired by their Christian faith, sent out into the world with a deep sense of purpose.
How can we create leaders like this?
Introducing the Fountain Christian School, opening September 2026 in the heart of Westminster.
A new school for the 21st century, rooted in the best of our past, developing the leaders our future demands.
At the Fountain, we know that education is not just about facts and figures. It's about forming character in a loving community, pursuing wisdom together, helping families to flourish so that together we can inspire the next generation with truth, goodness, and beauty, so that they can pour themselves out for the sake of the city and the world. Through a classical Christian education, we will pass on the torch of the best that has been thought and said, elevating the greatest works of our human civilization, grounded in our Christian faith.
By nurturing wisdom and virtue, inculcating courage, we will prepare a generation not just to succeed, but to lead.
Because the leaders we need for the future must be formed today.
The Fountain Christian School, forming leaders, rebuilding culture.